Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. If you have got private or sensitive photos on your iPhone and you don't want anyone else to see them, I will show you the built-in iOS feature that lets you log those photos behind Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. And the best part, you don't need to download any extra apps. In this guide, I will share how you can log the whole Photos app or just a few selective photos. First, unlock your iPhone and find the Photos app icon. Now long press on the apps icon to access the icon menu. From this menu, select Require Face ID option. This will add Face ID or Touch ID protection to your Photos app and will only open the app after a biometric authentication. If you want to only hide certain photos, then you can use the Hidden Album feature. You can select a single photo or multiple ones at the same time if you want to hide a batch of them. Once you have selected them, tap on the menu button at the top left. From the menu, tap on the Hide option. Now the photo has been moved to a special album called Hidden. It's still on your Photos app, but not in your main library. You can find the hidden album under the Utilities section on the Collections tab. To access your hidden photos, go to the Collections tab and scroll all the way down. Here tap on the Hidden option, then tap on View Album and scan with Face ID. As soon as you do this, your hidden photos will become visible. And that's how you can log the Photos app or certain photos on your iPhone without using any extra apps. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.